Hello and welcome to another episode of Studio Survival Guide. My name's Sam, I'm your Logic engineer, and today we're going to be looking at recording audio, importing audio, and the function of the various buttons on each channel. Okay, so first of all we have the input monitoring button. Now this button, when active, is orange on the channel strips, and essentially this just lets you monitor the audio coming in from your hardware without actually recording it. For example. Okay, next to that button we have the record arm button. Now this is red when activated and indicates that the channel is ready to be recorded onto, and you can only record onto the channel that has this button lit up. Only one of these record enable buttons can be active per input source, so if you have 6 channels all listening to input 1, only one of them can be recorded on at a time. Okay, with both record enable and input monitoring activated on the channel, we can now record. So I'm just going to press the R key on my keyboard, which is a great shortcut to record quickly. Now, although record enable is exclusive per input, input monitoring is available across all tracks, and if you hold down Alt, you can move your mouse across them all whilst holding down the click as well, and it will activate every single one. To deactivate them in a quick manner like this, it's exactly the same. You just hold down Alt and move your mouse whilst clicked across them all. Record enable also works in a similar way to the input monitoring, and if you have a track enabled for recording, it allows you to monitor the audio coming off the hardware. The M, which comes up as blue when activated, indicates that a channel is muted and that you will be unable to hear any audio from that channel, either recorded or monitoring. The solo button, which is yellow when activated, allows you to hear just the audio from the channels with the activated solo buttons on them. You can also have as many tracks as necessary muted or soloed at once. These buttons both also work with the Alt and click method, allowing you to activate or deactivate the mute or solo quickly across all of them. There are 3 main ways of importing audio into Logic. Firstly, audio files that are compatible with Logic can simply be dragged into the main window. Okay, the second of these methods is by using the shortcut Command, Shift and I to bring up an import window and selecting the file you wish to import. The third of these methods is to go into File, Import and click on Audio File.